Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically sell your products from like Etsy or Shopify and have it show on ChatGPT. I don't have any products on there, but these are just kind of like the simple things you'll need to kind of know. Obviously have good keywords on your product, make the picture eye-catching and simple, and just make sure, yeah, again, for the keywords on your product, so when people search for the items that they need, it will pop up in ChatGPT. So this is new. Actually, I just found out about this recently, that you can kind of find what you're looking for on ChatGPT. So find me a sweater to wear for Thanksgiving, for instance. Press enter. Maybe be more specific. And it's going to search for Thanksgiving sweater style. And as you can see, it shows up like the sweaters here that you might like, and you can like instantly press on it to kind of shop for it. So you want to make sure your item is already kind of like really out in the market, because this one is a very popular brand. I don't know this brand or this as well. I've only seen the mango one, but that's pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.